Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're out in the garden to do a few tasks, and one of them is showing you my new container garden or container area rather, that I added. And in those containers, we're going to plant some tomatoes. Let's get started. In these containers, the first three large ones that you see, I'm going to go ahead and plant one variety of tomato in each of them, and then put cages around them. The last big container over there, I'm going to put my watermelon in. I'm going to put three different types in those. The watermelon plants aren't big enough to transplant yet, but that's where the plan is to go. What I did was just take some old plywood and lay it down and put the containers on top of it. And I'll show you the plants that I have momentarily. So all of these I started myself from seed. We have a Roma tomato, we have a sweet cherry tomato, we have a brandywine, we have a Cherokee purple, and another sweet cherry. So three of these are going to go into these containers here, and then the rest are going to go into our raised bed. So what I'm going to do is start with this one first, and as I do with every transplant, I take I dig a hole to the middle of my hand in the container, and we're going to take my fertilizer mix that I have here. It is a mixture of chicken manure, bone manure, chicken manure, bone meal, and blood meal, and mix it all together. We're going to drop some into the hole and then transplant the plant. Mix it up in the hole, and let's start with purple Cherokee. And we're going to plant it deep, as I do all my tomatoes. Pull off the first set of leaves that form, and we have one planted. We do the same thing here again. Make a hole. And let's see which one we want to do this time. We'll do the sweet cherry. And last but not least, this one. And we'll do aroma in this one. Okay, and just like that, we have 3 tomato plants newly planted here. And we'll go over to the raised bed and put. We've removed the leaves out of the way, and I'm going to remove a little bit more. And the good thing about the drip line that I have here is that it allows me to have a accurate accounting of where I want it to plant in conjunction with the water source. So the drip line is every 6 inches water comes out. So we're going to plant accordingly. So we're going to do one here. Okay, that's wide enough. And just like over in the other pot, we're going to add fertilizer, spread it around, and we're going to start this one with the brandy wine. Pop it out. Pop it in. Pack soil around it. And just like that, we have one in. The next one we're going to do place here. And it is going to be a brandy wine. Right there. Next one will go here. And this one is aroma. And the last one we'll put here. And this one is also aroma. And just like that, we have 4 tomatoes, newly planted. So I went ahead and added some zinnias that I had growing into this bed as well. So I want to thank you for coming along while we got some more tomatoes into the ground. I have a tomato planter that will be coming today or sometime soon from Vego. It's a self-watering tomato planter with a cage as well. That's going to go over here also, and we'll put at least one plant into that. I'll show you the setup and planting of that in a separate standalone video, but I will post I'll put a picture up over my shoulder so you can see what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I pretty much will have the most amount of food growing this year that I have ever had since I've started gardening, and I am so excited about that. I've said before in previous videos, compared to last year, this is like night and day, and everything is coming along very, very, very well, nice and green, and I'm excited about it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. So it's okay to share. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are absolutely nothing. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.